previous tutorial about how to build a WordPress website, we have arrived until number 8, that is how to edit footer in WordPress. In the next tutorial, in number 9, we will show you how to edit our WordPress homepage. First, you need to log in on your account. After that, you can just click Customize. Usually, WordPress themes has the options, and then you can click this to see what is in your homepage. Let's try to click disable this. You can see the slider is gone, and you can find another appearance in here. Let's see if we can click the message. Like this. We can just click publish to finish our edit. And to edit our WordPress homepage, after we click theme option and choose homepage, we can also edit our header, footer, and the social media or general setting in here. You can find whatever that brings via your themes. And the last, you can also change the homepage settings in the theme options or customizer. You can click this. For example, we can just click or select a static page to our homepage. For example, we can just select block or select another like this. Okay, and you can suitable with you want in here. Then we can click publish. And if you want to using the default, usually using latest post in here, we can just click publish. And that's all tutorial how to edit our WordPress homepage.